tiny homes are more than a trend, they are a smart way to build serious income. In this video, we will show you how investing in tiny homes can generate big profits, even if you are just getting started. Like this video and subscribe if you want to learn how small spaces can lead to big returns. Let us break down why now is the perfect time to get in. 1. Build for short-term rental sites. Tiny homes earn money fast when listed on travel rental apps with peaceful views and clean space inside. Travelers book cozy private places that offer comfort, silence, safety, and good value for short vacations. Use wood interiors, soft lights, and clean design to attract people who want peace and privacy daily. Include fast wireless internet, basic kitchen tools, clean towels, fresh bedsheets, and a private bathroom. Post clear photos of morning light, outdoor views, and inside design to catch more attention online. Give contactless check-in using keypads so guests enter freely and feel trusted and welcomed anytime. Earn repeat bookings by giving tea or coffee packs, small soaps, or greeting cards to surprise your guest. 2. Rent to remote workers year-round. People who work from home need peaceful small houses with fast wireless internet and fresh air outside. Tiny homes placed near quiet areas attract online workers looking for low rent and private space daily. Add a desk, a soft chair, and natural light so they can focus better and feel calm during long work hours. Rent for a full month instead of daily stays to reduce effort and build more stable monthly income fast. Place the unit near stores and roads so your guests can get food and transport easily without stress. Give heating for winter and fans for summer to make it suitable for remote jobs in every season. Use websites that list long-term rentals for professionals, teachers, designers, or health workers too. This brings in simple, clean income while helping others stay focused, productive, and rested peacefully. 3. Launch a tiny home village project. Use one big land area to build many tiny homes and turn it into a peaceful village with shared spaces. Let people rent for family vacations, artist retreats, or group events in nature far from busy cities. Use shared gardens, benches, fire pits, or outdoor kitchens so each unit stays low cost but useful. You can charge more for units with forest view, outdoor shower, or a special reading nook with windows. Add solar power and compost systems to make the whole village eco-friendly and cost-saving monthly. Offer yoga, writing, or craft workshops to attract groups who want both learning and peace in their stay. Promote your village on social platforms using photos of nature, design, and calm, happy guests daily. It earns big income while keeping all units close, clean, simple, and easy to manage from one center. 4. Flip or sell ready-made units. Buy old tiny homes or trailers and upgrade them into stylish homes for people who like mobile living. Add clean kitchen, strong roof, solar system, bathroom, and soft bed so people can live full-time inside. List your finished home on websites that sell camper vans, off-grid cabins, or travel homes daily. Make strong storage and foldable items like tables, beds, or ladders to use every small inch of space. Use soft wood paint, lights, and safe steps to make it look and feel better than regular small trailers. You can offer delivery or setup support, which increases buyer trust and final sale price as well. Many people buy tiny homes to avoid big loans and love simple life with low bills and full freedom. 5. Place a unit in your own backyard. Turn your garden or backyard into a money-making spot by placing one clean and legal tiny home unit. Check your city rules to see if you are allowed to use backyard space for rental or guesthouse purposes. You can live in the main house and rent the small unit, or move into the unit and rent your big house. Use pre-built tiny homes with water lines, solar kits, and locks so you can install them within days easily. Rent to students, interns, artists, or seniors who want low-cost, private, peaceful living near city roads. Keep rent simple and offer clean space, fast internet, tea table, chair, fan bed, and safe entrance at all times. This model builds income, adds property value, and gives you control without extra staff or big expenses. You also keep an eye on the home as it is right behind you, making repairs and cleaning super simple. 6. Offer a retreat or creative space. Turn your tiny home into a peaceful place for artists, writers, or healers who need calm to focus better. Add soft lights, clean air, indoor plants, a warm bed, and silence so guests feel clear and fully rested. Promote it as a weekend or weekly retreat for people who want to escape city stress and busy life. Let them book your home for reading, painting, thinking, or just quiet time with no noise or meetings. Offer extras like tea, books, walks, or meals to increase value and make guests feel deeply supported. This type of stay brings higher rent and more loyalty as guests return again for peace and comfort. Use photos with sunrise light, open books, and relaxed people to show how the home gives full healing. It is a kind, peaceful way to earn steady money while helping others feel better and live with joy. 7. Partner with local landowners. If you do not own land, talk to owners who have open fields and no time to use that extra property now. Offer to place your tiny home there and share income fairly so both of you gain without large costs. Write a clear agreement that explains power, water, cleaning money, and how long the deal will last. Make sure basic things like access and safety are ready before you start renting the unit to others. This plan lets you grow fast without buying land while building trust with people who need partners. Pick quiet, clean spaces that feel safe so renters feel welcome and you earn faster from happy guests. Share monthly reports so the landowner sees results and supports your plan in the long term. 8. Convert old sheds or buses. Use an old shed, garage, or bus and turn it into a fresh tiny home with basic tools and clean design. Fix the roof, walls, and floor first so your space feels safe, dry, and ready for full-year living needs. Install a small bathroom, kitchen, window, bed, and solar system to give people full comfort in small space. Use recycled parts, wood shelves, or second-hand doors to lower cost and add charm that renters enjoy. Add paint, curtains, plants, and lights to turn your unit into a cozy place with color, peace, and function. Many renters want a special stay, and unique design can earn more than plain homes in crowded areas. Converted spaces tell a story which helps people connect emotionally and come back again for more. 9. Rent to nurses and students. Travel nurses and students often move between cities and need small, safe, and quiet places to stay in. Place your tiny home near a school, hospital, or training center to get regular demand without delay. Offer month-to-month rental with soft bed, small kitchen, desk fan, and strong wireless internet signal. Renters will stay longer if they feel respected, secure, and supported during their busy learning time. Use clear rental rules, fair prices, and low deposits to make it easy for them to choose your space. Tiny homes give them comfort with lower cost, which is perfect for people with limited monthly income. This model earns money quietly and builds trust among renters who return or recommend your unit too. It brings stability with very little change, and you help someone grow in their health or education. 10. Create a mobile pop-up shop. Use a tiny home as a moving shop to sell books, snacks, art, clothes, or beauty services at public places. Park your mobile unit near busy roads, fairs, colleges, events, or markets where people love to walk daily. Design the inside with clean shelves, open space, and a window that shows all your products clearly. You can run the unit as a small business while keeping costs low and reaching new buyers every week. Use solar power for light and fans so your shop works well even where there are no wires or grid lines. Offer things based on season or area like cold drinks in summer or books near study zones in cities. Tell your story through signs and photos so people trust your shop and remember your brand by heart. This builds daily income and full freedom without paying rent to anyone for a fixed shop building. Tiny homes can deliver big results when it comes to passive income and smart investing. If this inspired you to explore the opportunity, leave a like and subscribe for more real estate and money-making tips. Got questions or your own tiny home story? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and start building wealth with the power of tiny living.